If your mind has been playing the same scene over and over, replaying every text, every look, every word, this is for you. Overthinking can slowly ruin a relationship before anything even goes wrong. It creates problems that don't exist, makes you question someone's intentions, and leaves you feeling drained. Today, I want to share how to quiet your mind, trust the connection you're building, and stop letting your thoughts steal your peace. First, understand where overthinking comes from. Overthinking usually comes from fear of losing someone, fear of being hurt again, fear of not being enough. Sometimes it's rooted in past experiences where trust was broken. You start looking for signs that it's happening again when it's not. The first step is simply recognizing this is my fear talking, not reality. Next, you want to separate facts from stories. When something happens, like a late reply or a change in tone, ask yourself, what are the facts? And what's the story I'm telling myself about those facts? Most of the time, the facts are neutral. It's the story we create that fuels the anxiety. Learn to catch yourself before the story takes over. Next, you want to stay present. Overthinking pulls you into the past or pushes you into the future, but relationships grow in the present. The best way to stop overthinking is to ground yourself. Focus on what's real and happening right now. Engage in your own life, your hobbies, your friendships, your goals. The more fulfilled you are on your own, the less room overthinking has to grow. Next, you want to communicate instead of assuming. Sometimes the quickest way to silence the noise in your head is to simply ask. Clear communication can save you hours of spiraling thoughts. Instead of guessing how they feel, be open about your needs and your feelings. The right person will want to understand you, not make you feel like you're too much. Lastly, build self-trust. When you trust yourself, you don't need to control every detail of a relationship to feel safe. You know that no matter what happens, you will handle it. And that kind of inner peace makes overthinking lose its power. Overthinking doesn't mean you're broken. It just means your heart has been through things that made it cautious. But love is meant to feel safe, not exhausting. Let your mind rest so your heart can breathe. Subscribe for more Faceless Diaries.